Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time it is not about fitness. This video is more about girly girl stuff. This time I wanted to make this video to share with you some of the stuff that I got with this subscription called IPSY. If you have a subscription with IPSY, then you know that for the Glam Bag Plus, they changed bags. And that was, I mean, I don't want to be a negative person, but I must say that I am not 100% happy with this little bag that they replaced for the other makeup zip bags. And I don't know, I'm not too crazy about this ones. How do you guys feel? I just hope, really hope that they replace these bags for the ones that they used to have. Because to tell you the truth, I started with the Glam Bag, the little tiny one that had the very small basically like a try-on products, and I was like, okay, this is perfect because, you know, I travel a lot, so I can just get this small products and I can take them with me at the same time I try them out. So I liked it for that reason. But then after I got like probably 3 or 4 of those Glam Bags, I decided to switch to Glam Bag Plus because first the bags were a little bit bigger, and also for like $15 more you get full size products, and a lot of these products are really good. So I was like, you know what, let's go for the Glam Bag Plus. And as soon as I switch it, I think about 2 months into it, they changed the bags. And like I said, I'm not too crazy about it, so I stopped for a little bit for right now. And as you guys know, I quit my flight attendant job for now, so you know, I was like, okay, I guess I'll take a break. I have plenty of reasons to do it. So the last bag I got, I believe it was November, so I skipped the one from December. And I got some great things, to be honest, even though I was a little late on choosing what I wanted to get as my 3 options. I still got some nice options. So I got this Gensa Color Plus Face Silk Bronzing Base. I never seen this brand before, but because I guess I'm just not, you know, big on makeup, like I don't wear a lot of makeup, but it seemed really nice. A couple of months prior to this month, I remember seeing it and I wanted it, but it was not an option. But like this time I was able to get it, so I was so happy. It comes with a really nice package. So as you can see, this container is really cute, really slick and nice, and I love that it's made in Korea. So that's great. And it comes with a brush, really nice brush. So I was very excited about this little set. And then I had another option. As you guys can see, I'm not, you know, I don't do much bronzing or contouring, anything like that. If anything, right now with this weather, I try to stay with the minimum makeup and just like a chapstick. But this is really nice for travel as well, and it's Color Contour Cheek Stick. I always wanted to buy a stick like this, but I never did. So this one came pretty handy. To be honest, I haven't used it, but I will. I just know for sure that I cannot open it until I'm ready to use it. But it comes with a brush inside. Hold on, I didn't even notice that. Oh, I open it. Oops. Wait, what is the brush? Oops. I know. This is for the... Hold on, where's the brush? It says brush inside. Oh, there it goes. Ooh. Ah, that's so cute. So there is the brush and the stick. Now I'm gonna have to start using it because I don't want it to expire on me. But that's a nice... Ooh, and it has a magnet. You guys can hear it? Nice. I like it. So I know I will go back to IPSY. I'm not gonna say I hate it or anything like that. It's just a great company, run by females. So I am loving the company, but Oh man, like this bag, really, I'm not excited to go back to it, but maybe they'll change it one day. So the other item I got was this Wonder Beauty Highline liquid eyeliner. So as you guys can see, this one is not open yet either, because I have a couple of other ones that are already open. So I'm not opening this until I'm ready for it. And then the last thing I got that I was so excited about it is this violet vase that also, I haven't opened it, but I will for you. And I better start using it. I have a ton of palettes that I barely use. I'm telling you guys, I need to start making some type of videos for fun, just to put on some makeup and see how I look, because I have plenty of eyeshadow palettes and I don't use them, and they're beautiful. But look at this one. So hopefully this one stays without going bad. This is the palette. This is cute. It's really cute. And yeah, this is the brand right here, Violet Vase. It has great colors, and I saw like some live video they were having where they show how the eyeshadows perform, and they were really good. So yeah guys, that's all I got in this bag. I'm not 100% sure. I believe I got one more thing, because usually they let you choose 3 products and then you get other 2. Maybe it was some type of lip gloss or something like that, which I love. Any lip gloss, I love to get them on everything. Okay guys, well, that is the stuff that I got on my last bag from IPSY. And let me know what do you guys think about these bags. Are you guys loving them? I personally, I mean, they're okay. You know, I'm not gonna say I hate them, but I don't love them. So let me know what do you guys think. Let's make that a conversation in the comments down below. That's it guys. I hope you guys enjoy my video today, and I'll send you a lot of besos, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.